Hi, good evening to all. So today's topic is all about the behavioral theories of leadership. It is an important topic of organizational behavior. So we will look at the meaning of leadership first. It has been described as a process of a social influence in which one person can enlist the aid and support of others in the accomplishment of a common task. Leadership is a kind of quality of leaders, especially in the office environment in which now a person is selected now on behalf of his group. He now prepare the enlist of the aid and the support of the group members, and then he help them to accomplish the organizational goal. For that purpose now the leadership now quality is now so important now to achieve the organizational goal. Behavioral theories now, it assumed that effective leaders behaved differently from ineffective leaders. The leaders now who has now lot of now who have the efficiency now that behaves now differently now from ineffective leaders who the have not the effectivenesses. It also identified the need of a consistency of a behavior of good leaders. If a leader na, is a good leader, na, he has a consistency na, with him. This theory can be more clearly understood with the help of the following case studies. To be understood na, in proper way, na, so some of the case studies na, have done on this theories. We will look at them in detail. Those theories, those are case studies. The first the case study is the Michigan studies. Depending on broad the discussion with both the managers and subordinates, the Michigan studies identified two forms of leadership behavior. This study explains two kind of leadership behavior. The first one is the job-centered leadership behavior, which focuses on performances and efficient completion of the assigned tasks. This study this case study focuses on the performance of employees and the completion of the tasks in an efficient manner. A job-centered leader interacts with the group members to explain task procedure and oversee their task, oversee their work. In this study, leader focuses on group members to explain the procedures and the rules about the job and look at them with the assigned work. The next type is the employee-centered leadership behavior, which focus on high performance standards to be accomplished. Here is talking about the performance standards that should be accomplished by leaders. This can be done by developing a cohesive work group and ensuring that the employees are satisfied with their job. Here the leader focus on developing a cohesive, the unity of work groups, work members, and the motivating them to complete their job with a satisfied manner. The leader's primary concern is the welfare of the subordinates. The leaders more focus on employees' welfare. The Michigan researchers thought a leader could show signs of one kind of behavior but not both. The case study concludes the leadership the leaders have one kind of these behaviors, but it's not possible to have both of them. The second case study is the Okius state studies. This studies also identified two major kinds of leadership behaviors or styles, which are as follows. It also explains the two kinds of leadership styles. The first one is initiating structure behavior. In it, the leader clearly defines the leader subordinate roles so that everyone knows what is expected. The first point is they explains the definition of leadership and the subordinate roles. It should be clearly defined. The leader also establishes formed lines of the communication that determines how tasks will be performed. The leader should be framed the good lines of communication through which how the employees will be achieved their assigned workers, assigned jobs. The next type is the consideration behavior. In this, the leader shows a concern for subordinates' feelings and ideas. And this type, the leader shows very much a concern towards their subordinates, especially their feelings and ideas. He attempts to establish a warm, friendly, and supportive environment. In this type, leader is so friendly with the employees, with their subordinates, and the supportive attitude also exhibited by leader. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.